Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. We are group 11 and today we will present our polymer processing pre-lab proposal. In this study, we investigate how different processing parameters affect the properties of several polymer materials using various polymer processing techniques. Our group consists of Afrina, Adam, Nuha, Liana and Azizan. We work together to prepare this proposal and analyze the selected experimental parameters.
In this lab, we carried 4 different polymer processing experiments. The first experiment is to investigate the effect of temperature and pressure on the properties of polypropylene using the injection molding process. The second experiment is to study the influence of temperature and pressure on the properties of LLDPE during extrusion process. The third experiment is to evaluate the effect of temperature and processing time on the properties of LLDPE using the compression molding process. Lastly, the fourth experiment is to examine the influence of curing time and mixing ratio on the gelling behavior and final properties of silicone rubber through the casting process.
3 materials were selected for the experiment, which are polypropylene or PP, linear low density polyethylene or LLDPE, and silicone rubber. PP was selected because it is easy to process and highly sensitive to processing condition. LLDPE was chosen due to its excellent processing characteristic and industrial application. Silicone rubber was selected because its curing behavior is greatly influenced by mixing ratio and processing time, making it suitable for observation and analysis. Different processing time parameter will be investigated for each processing method. For PP injection molding, we will vary the temperature and material position.
The parameter we use for the extruder process, the temperature setting for standard set until set 5 we use 200 degrees Celsius. The screw speed for standard set until set 3 we use 20 rpm. For set 4 we use 15 rpm and set 5 we use 25 rpm. The compression molding preheat time for standard set until set 2 we use 7 minutes and for set 3 also set 4 we use 4 minutes. The amount of material for standard set and set 3 we use 46 gram. The set 1 and set 4 we use 36 gram while set 2 we use 50 gram.
Finally, for silicone rubber casting, we will focus on mixing ratio and gelling time.
This flowchart summarizes the overall experimental procedure, starting from material preparation, followed by parameter selection, processing, and finally, the evaluation of the resulting samples. In conclusion, this study aims to provide a better understanding of how processing parameters affect the behavior and final properties of polymer materials through different processing techniques. Thank you for watching our presentation.